This video will demonstrate automatically importing students through a job scheduler. First, navigate to the System and Settings and Customization. Go to the Job Scheduler panel. A job scheduler controls the unattended background program execution of jobs, whereas a job represents a work unit. A job may be concretely identified with a single process. You can automate import, export, or communication between YouTestMe GetCertified and external systems. Click on the New Job button and wait for the pop-up window to open. A dialog will appear to enter all the necessary information to create and schedule a new job. The New Job dialog consists of 3 sections: Job Information, Scheduling, and Parameters. This part of the dialog is the same for each job, regardless of the type you choose. On the Type field, click the Import Data option. Enter the name. Optionally enter the description. Next, choose the start time when the job will execute for the first time. If the chosen start time is in the past, the first execution will occur next time according to, or will only occur if the job repeats. Check the Repeat option to repeat the job periodically in equal time intervals after the start time. If it is unchecked, job will execute only once at the start time. Check the Repeat Forever box for it to be repeated indefinitely or until the end. Choose the interval of repetition in days, hours, and minutes. In the resources, you should put it as users. This is the type of data we will be importing. Choose whether the information will be delivered through the file or SFTP. Next, you will need to write the absolute path of your folder, which will be imported. File names are a regex expression to match the file's names to import from the folder. The file type should be CSV. If you check the Modified Only checkbox, this will apply to files only created or modified after the previous job execution is imported. Otherwise, all files will be imported. Choose a delimiter for separating entries in the CSV file. And lastly, choose the number of lines to skip before reading in the Skip Line section. Usually, it is set to 1 to skip the first line, which represents the header. Here is an example of the CSV file for importing users. The first line represents the header specification. Line entries are separated with a chosen delimiter. Once you create a job, you will see it in the table where all created jobs are saved and details about each are for each job listed in the table. Click on the 3 dots and choose the desired actions from the following. Execute the job immediately, disregarding the current schedule. Preview complete execution history and logs of a job. Edit job. Use the previously created job as a template to change only a few pieces of information and save it as a new job. Copy the job. Delete the job.